Gates open, they're up and racing. Doña Leonora, Swab Tiger, Awesome Ashley moving up by the rail, followed by Sweet and Gorgeous. You belong to me. Alam mo na yan, Sir Frederick Andorra, and Speed to Riches in behind them. Rounding at the last 600, Awesome Ashley, Doña Leonora, Swab Tiger running on the outside, third by the rail, Sweet and Gorgeous. Sir Frederick, you belong to me as they race at the last 450. Awesome Ashley, Doña Leonora, Swab Tiger, Sweet and Gorgeous moving up by the rail. You belong to me, Sir Frederick, and down the stretch they come. Doña Leonora running at the center by the rail is Awesome Ashley, Swab Tiger. Doña Leonora, this time by about 2 lengths. And finally, Doña Leonora. Second close between Swab Tiger and another close finish between Awesome Ashley and You Belong to Me. Alam mo na yan, Sir Frederick.